All right, let's look at the homework 7.8, 7.9, problem number 2. All right, so let's evaluate this partial integral. All right, so we are integrating with respect to x, so which means that the y is a constant. So if y is a constant, we can actually put this guy outside, right? So we can write it as, right, so y is outside. Then you have an integral from y to 4. Then you have x over square root of x squared plus 3 with respect to x. Alright, then we can do a substitution. Let u be x squared plus 3. Right, then we can just take the derivative of u with respect to x. We get 2x, right, and take the reciprocal of both sides. Right, put this guy upside down, so dx over du, which is equal to 1 over 2x. Right? Then we can just multiply both sides by du to isolate dx, which is du over 2x. Alright, so we decided to call this guy u. Right, and also we have to change the lower limit and the upper limit. So x in this case originally goes from y to 4, right, which means that the u is going to go from, right, so plug in, so y squared plus 3 2, and the 4 squared 16 plus 3 is 19. Right, so this is going to be equal to, right, y is still there, integral, right, y, so it's y squared plus 3, right, to 19, right, then I'll leave x as it is for now, but on the bottom is just the square root of u, right, then dx is the same thing as du over 2x. Right, so we can cancel x here and x here. So 1 over 2 is just a constant. I'll put it outside. So you're gonna have, I'm gonna go down here, right, so I'm gonna put 2 on the bottom outside, so you will get y over 2, right, integral from y squared plus 3 to 19, right? I don't like square root, I don't like fractions, so I'm going to write u, right? So u is sitting on the bottom, so it's a negative power, and a square root, so it's a negative 1/2 power with respect to u, right? Then we can take the antiderivative of that. It's just going to be a power rule. Right, so add 1 to the power, so u to the 1/2 power, right, and divide by 1/2 is same thing as multiply by 2. Then you're going from y squared plus 3 and to 19, right, then we can cancel 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. Right, and so this is going to be equal to y, right, then you have, right, square, so 1/2 power is a square root, so square root of 19 minus square root of y squared plus 3. Right. So this is the partial integral that we're looking for. So here. All right, so let's type this guy in and see if it's correct. All right, so what we got was y times, all right, square root of 19 minus square root of y squared and plus 3. Right, then right parenthesis. All right, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.